Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can simply make money doing just a little thing on social network. Okay, let me quickly turn on my data. So if you are a new subscribers, or if you are new visitors, welcome. And if you are returning viewers, also welcome. If you are new viewers and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like my videos. Okay, so on this today I would like to show you something. Okay, it's going to be simply how to buy from one exchange and sell it in another exchange. You can simply look out for some of those new upcoming exchange, make research about them, buy from them, send to your Binance wallet and sell it in the Binance wallet to make a huge profit. Okay, you can do this with as little as $50 and above. You can even do it with $20, but you have to do it a reputable time to make profit. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. This is Binance. If you do not have Binance, please simply download now and make your verifications on Binance, and after the verification on Binance you can start doing this. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, there's something I want you to take note. I want you to take note of the price here. Okay, the price of BTC here is roughly $26 million. Let's say 26.594 as the price of BTC on Binance. Okay, so I would like to show you something. There is also an exchange called budgets. These budgets allow you to purchase in a very low price, and you can bring it to the Binance here and sell it at a very high price in order to make a little profit. Okay, so just hold on, navigate yourself to a Play Store. If you don't have a budget app, let's do it together. I have the app already, but I need you to see. Okay, this place and type budget exchange. Okay, this is the budget exchange. I have it downloaded already, which is why it's showing me open. If you don't have it here, quickly download it and open it. So let's see what the budget okay, that's solving. This is 59. But in this place, the reason I'm showing you this is that when you buy from this place, just be checking, because just a couple of seconds ago I saw differences and now it's still on the same. So it might be rising here and be falling there. It's very possible. Okay, now just look at this closely. I just want us to do this together. Look at this closely. Doing it must be very fast about it. So 265. Let's see what it's 26587. Okay, so in this location you can simply get from here and sell there. When you get there, sell in this place. Okay, just this whole process is very simple. Just keep watching. One will keep going down and one will keep going. Okay, these are the difference in this exchange. Okay, you see, this is 87. You see, so you keep checking for when the market is profitable. Okay, when the market is profitable, what you just simply need to do, just dive in, make your profit and walk away. Okay, so I will leave the rest of the job to you. You see, it says here now, it's let's see what Ethereum is on Binance. Okay, 1627 here as well. So all you just need to do is that compare the price. Just a couple of seconds ago I saw a huge difference here. I saw a very huge difference. So what you just need to be doing is that keep watching, following bit by bit, watch, and you will make a huge profit from this place. If you engage now, you make a huge profit. Okay, it's just a huge profit. So I'll be here today. This video. If you have something to do in the comment section, I'll get to you as soon as possible. Anyone, if you are not subscribed to my video, I will see my video. Bye.